Hello, everybody. So, today I wanted to give you another update on Publisher. Now, I had put out a video in October of 2024 about Publisher, but this is an update because it looks like Microsoft is going to be completely ending Microsoft Publisher. So I wanted to share all this information with you in case you like and use Publisher on your computer, what you can do in order to continue to keep using it. So as you can see, Microsoft Publisher, you won't be able to access Publisher or open any of the Publisher files which end with .pub in October of 2026. Now, if you use Microsoft Publisher via Microsoft 365, it's one of them that you've downloaded from Microsoft 365, not the ones that you paid for through 2021 or earlier versions, then you're going to see an alert that's going to be titled Publisher is retiring. The alert warns you that beginning in October of 2026, Microsoft Publisher will no longer be supported and you won't be able to access Publisher or open Publisher files. And then there's a got it button to get rid of that alert. Now, they did spot Microsoft Publisher end of alerts when they tried to open existing .pub files, and it aligns with the original plans that were shared by the company. Now, Microsoft previously confirmed the retirement of Publisher, the .pub files, for October of 2026, but it turns out it's more than just a simple end of life date. In October of 2026, your Microsoft Publisher will become useless unless you use a perpetual license, not a Microsoft 365 subscription. So if you want to keep using it, buy one of them that's lifetime. You pay for it one time and you have it forever. It's not a monthly subscription. So, what does the Microsoft Publishers October 2026 end of support mean for you? Well, it means that you won't be able to open any of the Microsoft Publisher files, again, that end with .pub, and you should export or save your work before that October 2026 deadline. You'll get locked out of the app, and it's not exactly simple to migrate all your .pub files to a new format without access to the Publisher app. So, how can you convert .pub files to another format in Microsoft Publisher? Well, what you want to do first is, of course, open up Publisher and then open up the PUB file. And then in Microsoft Publisher, after you've opened the file you want to convert, now you're going to go and you're going to click on File, and then you're going to click on Save As. And then this time you can select PDF as your file type and you can save it. Now, they did test it on their PC and it converts all the Microsoft Publisher files or PUB files. But the catch is, can you automate the process? Well, the PowerShell script to convert a Microsoft Publisher file, you can do it. You can automate the process by using a PowerShell script that can be downloaded from Microsoft's website. So it's right here, and I'll include a link if you want to be able to do that. Now, you will have to edit the script before you use it. And more importantly, before you run the .pub to .pdf script, you should understand how it works. Now, they found that Microsoft's official PowerShell script converts Microsoft Publisher files, again, .pub, into PDFs using the Publisher desktop app through its com/interop interface. Now, in the PowerShell script, you're giving it a dash filter like *pub or C:\docs/file.pub, and optionally a dash recurse and then it searches for publisher files using the get-child item, which is a command that's in PowerShell. Now, once it finds all those files, it loads the publisher assemblies and tries to start publisher.application, and it begins to convert by replacing .pub with .pdf. Now, I asked Microsoft for more details, and it told me that customers are advised to convert existing files to another format before October of 2026. But can you edit .pub files in Publisher after October of 2026? Well, the quick answer is no. You won't be able to edit .pub files because it'll no longer be possible to even access Microsoft Publisher. However, you can convert the .pub files to .pdf and then convert the .pdf to Microsoft Word and edit it. And you can open Microsoft Word, then click on File, click on Open, and open the converted PDF file. Now, this will allow you to edit your converted PDF, but the catch is that Microsoft Word PDF conversion is far from perfect, and it could corrupt text, which means you'll probably need to spend hours or days editing all the PDF converted .pub files. So, is there a way that you can keep using Microsoft Publisher after October of 2026? Well, yes. You can use Microsoft Publisher 2021 that was in Office LTSC 2021, which is still going to work after October 13th of 2026. Now, unlike Microsoft 365, which is a subscription, Office LTSC 2021 is a perpetual one-time purchase license. You pay for it one time and you own it forever. Now, Microsoft is not killing off Publisher out of nowhere. It made the plans official in 2025 and is giving more than a year to its customers for migration. After October of 2026, Microsoft 365 plans won't include the old tool as they always did. You have close to 9 months to make the migration. Then you can plan your escape and salvage your files from the app. Now, Microsoft has also recommended searching for publisher alternatives. Now, while Microsoft doesn't have a single app that offers everything from Publisher, you can try using Microsoft Designer, Word, or PowerPoint. I made a table with a list of the best alternatives for you to try. And as you can see, they did a pretty good job. So if you need to create ads and flyers, the best alternative is going to be Word, PowerPoint, or Designer. If you need a brochure, it's going to be Word or PowerPoint. If you need banners, posters, and signs, well, that's going to be PowerPoint or Designer. If you need newsletters, that's only going to be Word. That's going to be your best option. Programs and folded projects, again, that's going to be Word. Business cards are going to be Word and PowerPoint. Certificates, that's going to be Word or PowerPoint. Invoices, forms, and applications, that can be Word. Letterheads, Word. Envelopes, Word. Labels, that's going to be Word. Calendars can be Word or PowerPoint. And then greeting and compliment cards can be Word, PowerPoint, or Designer, any of the three. Now, they're going to miss Publisher, and I am too. I mean, Publisher has been around for a very long time. Microsoft Publisher was first introduced in 1991 and quickly became one of the most popular tools for creating marketing materials, especially at a time when alternatives were very expensive. Now, fast forward to now, and Microsoft has other tools offering similar functionalities, such as Designer, which lets you make templates for social media. And as a result, Microsoft no longer wants to develop Publisher. Well, what about you? How do you plan to replace Publisher? please let me know. And they even said it on their page, but let me know in my comments too how you're going to go and replace publisher. Now, I will tell you, if you want to have publisher and you don't want to get rid of it, just buy the last version that did have it, which they kept mentioning here, which was Office LTSC 2021. And that's going to have publisher and you'll have it forever because you paid the one time perpetual license and you'll never lose it. So I thought you would find that interesting and also helpful just to know that publisher in Microsoft 365 is going to be going away. And it may still remain on your computer if you previously had it installed, but it's not going to open after October of 2026. Now, if you do want me to show you how to install that Office LTSC 2021 or any other version of Office, I'll be more than happy to. Just let me know down below in the comments, and I will do my best to create that video for you. And if you have any questions or you'd like me to go into more depth about publisher disappearing after October of 2026, please let me know down below in the comments, and I will do my best to get back to you. And if there's a video, topic, article, anything you'd like me to make a video on, please let me know that down below in the comments as well, and I will do my best to create that video for you. And if you found this helpful and you'd like to support this channel, I left a link in the video description where you can buy me a cup of coffee if you'd like to. And as always, because you all do such a great job, if you can, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep putting up more great content like, did you know that Microsoft Publisher is going to stop working after October of 2026 in the Microsoft 365 version? And I'll be more than happy to keep putting up all this great content for you all. Thanks so much, everybody. I really appreciate you all. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.